A machine completed weeks of human work in less than 30 seconds. And for millions of workers watching it happen, the fear wasn't science fiction anymore. It felt personal. In late 2022, the world was introduced to a new generation of artificial intelligence tools that could write essays, answer questions, generate code, create art, and even imitate human conversation with shocking accuracy. What made this moment different wasn't just the technology itself, it was the speed. Within days, screenshots flooded social media. Students used AI to finish assignments. Programmers used it to debug software. Businesses began quietly testing whether tasks once handled by employees could now be automated. For many people, it felt like the beginning of a technological revolution. For others, it felt like the first warning sign. The idea of machines replacing human labor wasn't new. During the Industrial Revolution, factory machines transformed entire economies and pushed millions of workers into uncertainty. In the 20th century, automation changed manufacturing forever. But those transitions happened gradually, over decades. This time was different. AI wasn't only targeting physical labor, it was suddenly entering professions long considered safe. Writers, designers, customer service agents, accountants, translators, researchers, and even software engineers. Jobs built around thinking, creativity, and communication were no longer untouchable. And then came the moment that truly changed public perception. In March 2023, a group of prominent tech leaders and AI researchers signed an open letter calling for a temporary pause in advanced AI development. Their warning was blunt. Society was not prepared for systems becoming more powerful, faster than humans could understand or control. What terrified people wasn't just the possibility of job loss. It was the realization that even the creators of the technology seemed uncertain about where it was heading. Around the same time, companies across multiple industries began reducing staff while increasing investment in AI systems. Some firms openly admitted that automation could replace portions of administrative and creative work. Reports emerged of employees training AI tools that might eventually replace their own positions. For workers watching from home, the fear became deeply psychological. If a machine could write reports, answer customers, analyze data, and generate ideas in seconds, what exactly would remain uniquely human? But the reality was more complicated than the headlines suggested. Many early AI systems made serious mistakes. They invented facts, produced biased outputs, and often sounded confident even when they were wrong. In hospitals, law offices, and financial institutions, experts quickly discovered that human oversight remained essential. AI could accelerate work, but trusting it blindly carried risks. A lesser-known detail is that some of the most advanced AI systems were trained using enormous amounts of human-created content. Books, articles, art, music, conversations, and code written by millions of people over decades. In a strange way, the intelligence that appeared machine-made was actually built from human knowledge, human creativity, and human history. That realization changed the conversation. The debate slowly shifted from will AI replace everyone to a more difficult question. How will society adapt when human work changes faster than education, laws, and economies can keep up? Today, AI tools are everywhere. They help doctors analyze scans, assist students with learning, support businesses, and speed up research that once took months. At the same time, governments, economists, and workers around the world are still trying to understand the long-term consequences. Some experts believe AI will create entirely new industries and opportunities, just as past technological revolutions did. Others warn that the transition could leave millions struggling before society catches up. And maybe that's why this discovery unsettled so many people. It wasn't simply about technology. It was about identity, purpose, and the uncomfortable possibility that humanity may be entering a new era before fully understanding the cost. The same fear that shocked millions in 2023 still lingers today, because no one truly knows where the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence will eventually lead. Do you think AI will mostly create new opportunities or replace more jobs than society is prepared for? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy fact-based storytelling that explores the moments shaping our world, consider liking the video, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you don't miss the next story. And if you want to understand how another invention changed civilization forever, watch the next video on your screen now, because the story of AI didn't begin with machines. It began with humanity's endless search to build something smarter than itself.